Tempo's line of PVC repair couplers is an easy way of repairing underground PVC pipes. The repair couplers are available in 5 diameters ranging from 3/4 of an inch up to 2 inches. The following video shows how to repair a damaged PVC pipe using Tempo's PVC repair couplers.
Identify the source of the leak. Remove the soil to expose the broken pipe. Determine the PVC pipe diameter and choose the appropriate repair coupler. Mark the length of the repair coupler on the broken pipe. Cut PVC pipe at marked locations using a PVC cutter. Clean dirt from the PVC pipe ends where the glue will be applied. Move the repair coupler into place and slide the right nut over the PVC pipe, then slide the left nut to the right onto the repair coupler body. Prime and glue the repair coupler and PVC pipe on the left side. Slide and rotate left nut onto the PVC pipe to spread the glue evenly. Slide the right nut onto the body of the repair coupler, then prime and glue the right side of the repair coupler and PVC pipe. Slide and rotate right nut onto the PVC pipe to spread the glue evenly. When the glue is dry, turn the system on again.